that when I interact with the person, so know about that and uh, their
Culture.
thinking and all that. So
Hmm.
a lot of new things.
Do you think that there's a lot of difference between our thought process, our society, and theirs?
Yes, yes, correct, man.
Hmm. What are some of the major differences you found really interesting or very different?
Yes, because they all are very to the points. When we
Oh.
talk, they are all are the to the points. Just we have to talk about the points, and we have to everything on time and everything on a proper manners. So
Hmm.
different between me and they.
I think Japanese especially are very punctual and very particular about ethics.
Yes, correct, man.
Right?
In
Cool.
fact, my office also three-person Japan, and my office also belong to the Japanese is a Japanese company. So
Hmm.
very punctual, and we have to reach the office at before means the time when the 8:30. So
Mhm.
we have to reach before 8:30, and the time is leaving the office 5:30 p.m.
Okay.
So we can leave after 5:35 or 40.
Hmm. So you have 5 hour of 5 day working, 5 days working in a week.
Yes, correct.
Uh-huh. But there was a lot of buzz about 4 days a week working in corporate. So do you think that is a requirement? Working 4 days a week, 3 days a week of 4 day work? Do you think that is justified?
No, 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 sorry, sorry. Can you repeat again?
Okay. So there was a lot of talk about having 3 or 4 days work at office and have an off or have an offline work, I mean, work from home for the rest of the 2 days. Do you think that is justified and is something which must be enacted in India as well?
Yes, it could be, but in my office, this is not. It's not here anywhere. So this is
Yeah,
not.
yeah, yeah. It's not enacted in India. I don't think any company has so far come up with this rule because I read this in an article wherein a few Japanese companies have put this on trial and they were trying this work ethic in their offices. I think that
Uh,
came out to be really productive for their employees.
it could be because the if we have a more like we have 5 days working and we have to go all days into the sorry in the office.
Mm.
So I have spent extra 3 or 4 hours to go quick. Sorry, go to the office.
Mm.
So if they are release the come office and they are allow me to work from home, then
Mm.
definitely will at least allow half an hour and 1 hour. So give them no issue. It's
Mm.
because in that time also we have less expensive because
Right.
when we are going to the office, then we have to pay the money for the traveling.
But yeah,
So
commute. Yes. That definitely. And I think it becomes exhausting because I don't think Saturday and Sunday is enough to soak in the exhaustion. Do you think
yes,
Saturday, Sunday is enough?
yes, Saturday Sunday is enough because if we have don't work in Saturday Sunday, then we have already tired within 2 days.
Hmm.
Not because if I'm habitual to do the work and every time do the work, so if we have 3 or 4 days leave,
Hmm.
so and not going to anywhere, so it's a it's a big thing to means with day means how to use the
Busy?
time.
Okay.
So that is also issue with the 2 days is enough.
Okay. So according to you, this
And
is good to go with.
yes, 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 yes.
Well, if someone had asked me, I would have totally gone in for three days weekend because I totally felt exhausting. It feels like as if you're living a robot kind of a life, getting up every day at the same time, going to the office at the same time with those soaked up eyes and sored up eyes. and living the same exhausting life every day. Do you ever feel like that, or you're always full of energy to do your work?
No, always this is not possible for the human being. So I'm also not feeling that. So always, many times I'm energetic to do the all works, and every time go to the 8:30 and leave, and office leave to the 20 and half an hours extra work. So it will be a more not comfortable.
Hmm,
Okay, well, let
fair
me
enough.
know. May I know your profession?
Okay, yeah. So I am from an engineering background. I've worked in the corporate for some time, so I sort of have an experience.
Yes.
Yeah. So that is why I
So,
was sharing my feeling.
yeah, right, right.
Yeah. So let's say there's a situation with you